Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Aman, and today is July 9th, 2020. And we're just going to do a quick little recap of the trades we took today. Weren't a lot of options today. Not a lot of stuff kind of met the criteria that I wanted. So I just have two quick trades to show you, and that'll be it for today. So we'll start with Amazon. So as you can see, Amazon had quite a big gap up to start the morning. Opened up around I want to say around 31.21, so 31.20, somewhere around there. And I usually don't like to get into trades that early, especially if they gap up like that. So even though there was a buy signal here, I just kind of waited, and rightfully so. Nothing, the stock went sideways and then it dipped down, and it wouldn't have been a good trade anyways if I had taken it. So I waited for a little bit, and then I like to wait for the stock to break these opening range breakouts either way. So this first one, it didn't, and so I just waited, and the second one came around 11 o'clock. So I took this trade, got in around 31.40, and as you can see, it was a really, really good trade. Closed it out around 31.80, so 40 points on that trade. Really good one right there. So the next trade I took today was LMT, Lockheed Martin. And as you can see, the buy came right here around 7:30, which is like really ideal for me. I love getting a buy signal or a sell signal, as this one is, as it breaks the opening range breakout. So took this trade around 343, and what I like to do is if when it crosses either side of the orb, what I like to do is just set I just use this opening range breakout as a stop loss. So what I like to do is even though it crossed a little bit back up here, it didn't fully close above, so I stayed in the trade, and even though it closed here, again, I just stayed in it. But again, this is a 5-minute chart, so feel free to use whatever time frame you're most comfortable with. But I like trading the 5. It works for me. And I do get in and out of a lot of trades quickly, but sometimes I am just a little patient with them, like with this one. So got in around 343. It had a close, but it kept going, stayed below. Even with the second short, I just held on to it till the end of the day, closed it out around 340. So a nice little 3-point trade on that. So that's it for the day. Didn't really do too much. Just had those two trades. Those were the only ones that I thought were going to do well. They did, and they worked out. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, and I will be back again tomorrow for another recap video. Thank you guys.